Hey Plenty friends, welcome back to another new plant shopping video. I think this is going to be the third, no, I think it's like the fourth plant shopping video. So this has been super duper fun, and I don't know, like I'm super excited to go and take you guys along and show you what they have at these local big box stores. And yeah, without any further ado, let's go plant shopping.
Yeah. Sandwich online, just like you like it. Order online to earn rewards. Switch to special.
They got houseplants. Look at the money trees. It's kind of cute. $12.99. Oh yeah, they're pretty good sizable. It's got like cute little aloes. $3.99, and the sansevieria is like $12.99. Super cute. It's got like little baskets. Ew. Propagation box. Yeah. Cute little watering can. No tierra mis fingers. The little baskets are really cute. They're like a little plant. They have like little plastic on it, so it doesn't damage to the thing. Cute little cash pot. Okay, let's go see what else they have. They have more para acá. Little succulent arrangements. Jade, more succulents. Look at this one. Here we are. Oh my god, are these terracotta? They're actual terracotta. They're huge. These are really good para. This is. Oh crap. Wow, boy, that's a good deal. 27. But look, mira para. Look. That's literally perfect. Wow, that's really good. They have a lot of money trees. Any variegated ones? Any unicorns? Wow, look at this leaf. Nice. Nice looking money trees for $30. I think the palms are...
It's just bad, right?
$12. Okay. Yeah, that's damaged. Very close, so it looks pretty like variegation. Bird of paradise. Snake plants. I think it's all the like the fake plants. Oh, those peach trees are kind of cute. Okay. Sansevierias. How much is it? 16 of them. They're so nice and big. And the bird of paradise are 25. Let me see. Yeah. Look how big it is. These are really good prices. This would be like $35 at like Home Depot. Palms. You have like so many stuff. Plastic, what are that, like cash pots?
Yeah. Hard plastic.
Not bad. For 12. These are pretty cool. And they have saucers too. Oh my god, this is actual. This is piedra. Boy, this is piedra. That is cute.
It's just a...
Wait, it comes together now? I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Oh no, they're separate. Ugh, wait. Flip this tag, boo. They're the same numbers. 108. No, están juntos. They're the same numbers. That's a good deal. terracotta. Like literally so freaking cute. Ceramic. Needs like a hole, but this will be like cute for like amaranths or like a succulent arrangement. I have a lot of leca for $6.99. I'm sure that it was cheaper. I don't know. A lot of people me preguntan if I use leca. I've never used it before. Cute little water can, a lot cheaper than the one I got from Lowe's, from Urban Jungle. Look at this watering can, the mister. Pretty cute. They got some nice big watering cans for $30. These are huge. We have these too. I show them los números porque van a preguntar. Damn. This is a lot. Me gusta este. It's like cement, piedra. It's not my style, but it's nice. Very modern. I have a bunch of plants, but yeah, we're gonna see in a bit. But I'm gonna show you guys the little watering cans. I have so many different kinds of watering cans. Oh, it's just really cute. The gardening tools are made of plastic, durable plastic, reinforced with fiberglass. Oh. Unas tijeras, we need tijeras for propagations. Cute little plant stand, $40. It's not bad. Oh, so many cute stuff. These are so cute. Okay, let's go see the plants. These baskets. Oh my god, they got so many cute baskets. So boho. They got some. Damn, that's thick. Bonito palms, a lot of money trees. Look, alocasia. $15. That's pretty cute. Cute agluminia. Oh my god, there's like a lot of fucking flies. Ugh. A lot of fungus gnats. Aloes. $5. Aloe veras. $5 as well. More succulent arrangements. They're so cute. So tiny. More oh, damn, that's a big flower for this little guy. More sansevierias. But it's called Sansevieria symmetrica. Oh no, fernwood sansevieria. That's what it's called. Pretty cool. There's some golden potas por acá. I can never say it. Viperium, yeah, $12. You can get it cheaper at Lowe's, but they look pretty good. Oh my god, it's like nice. Yeah. ZZ's, $10. That's not bad. Oh, from Costa Farm. I wonder how much they cost. Are they cheaper? Oh no, they're $20. Oh, really big bromeliad. Some jades. Oh no, Chrysula's right. People stare a lot. Like I know I'm filming, but like let me just do my thing. Really cute ivies, look really good. Okay, vamos por acá. Peace lilies. Almost sold out. $13. Really cute. Saucers. These are nice.
That's cheap. 79 cents.
Which ones? The plastic ones or? Really? Wow, that's not bad. They have so many baskets. This is all new. I've never seen this many baskets before. At this IKEA. Little black one. Cute. Bamboo. Plastic as well. It's expensive. $5. Cute. These are always so cute. Jades for 13. More cacti for 5. Pretty cool. Look at this aloha. Pretty orchids. Dracaenas. $8. More Dracaenas. There's some pretty cool bromeliads, different kinds. Look at this one's pretty cool. It's basically out of them. They have the faux plants, the fake ones. I don't know, some people hate, like, I showed a fake plant last time and they got so mad. Like somebody, I was like, it's just a fake plant. I mean, real's always better for them. What are these? Little terrariums. ¿Verdad?
Yeah, little terrarium.
Is it, oh well? Did these have a price with a name? There you go. Thank you, boo. These are so cute. So like, this is cute. Super cute. Ito mo, ang thumbnail. I like this. Moss balls. So it's like really better to own a moss ball. But these are pretty good though. Fake ones. It's just pretty. Me gusta mucho esto.
Is that supposed to be a mixture of hearts?
Ah, sí, ¿verdad?
Looks like it.
And it's like the Hoya. It has like a heart shape. Fun. Okay. We're getting Monstera, a fake one. 25. These are so freaking pretty, Israel. They're like son de peach. Those like cherry blossoms, but it looks very similar to also like the peach blossoms. They have a fake olive tree for $60. Okay. Fun.
Alrighty, fancy friends, thank you so much for going plant shopping with me. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up to let me know something positive to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!